everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Wafani from the 19th to the 23rd of January 2026 on a Monday. Oli risk it all to betray Sabelo for Tsunami's payout. Star draws a line in the sand as she walks away from a relationship built on broken trust. Meanwhile, Thembi questions her future as dreams, deals, and loyalty are tested on Tuesday. Sabelo prepares to meet Maskandi legend Thandeni, but cracks deepens at home with Star. Meanwhile, Thembi risked it all to make a big investment, ignoring every warning that it could destroy her, and Oli crosses a dangerous line with Sabelo on Wednesday. Sabelo readies himself to dominate the music scene while Thembi's ambitions raise alarm bells. Star as wonderful gesture turns into a nightmare, and Oli has a huge ask for Thembi on Friday. Thembi and Tsunami go head to head in a binding war to secure vibes on point. Star is ready to hand herself over to the cops for a food poisoning incident. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.